It's 3 a.m. Your eyes are burning, staring blankly at a complex editing timeline, just begging for it to be over. Making high-quality educational content takes a massive physical toll. You brainstorm the concept, you hunt down the research, you write the script, record the audio, drag and drop clips for hours, and then manually optimize the metadata for upload. It is a relentless manual treadmill. Now, compare that grind to a totally different process. Imagine writing your ideas down, walking away, and letting a system handle the entire execution from start to finish, completely hands-off. Your actual physical working hours do not have to dictate how much you publish. The entire production timeline can happen while you sleep. The Troveto engine is an enterprise-grade AI bot designed to build, edit, and upload videos entirely from scratch. You feed it instructions, and it takes over the execution. This setup pulls you out of the weeds. You stop acting as the manual laborer constantly tweaking keyframes, and you start operating as the high-level director of your content. Running a fully branded media channel reduces down to maintaining a single spreadsheet and letting intelligent software handle the production. This image shows the exact raw input the system needs. These columns display your initial instructions in a standard Excel syllabus. The text sits pending execution until an advanced AI pre-processing layer translates your intent. The AI ingests your simple prompts and actively breaks them down into structured, actionable steps that the engine can read and execute. That pre-processing phase bridges the gap, turning a basic human idea into a machine-driven production. The system deploys a Playwright browser that autonomously navigates the web. It gathers assets and compiles research at lightning speed, exactly like a human researcher. Here we see the engine's interface, specifically the fast-paced rendering log. The system transitions smoothly from pulling raw research to autonomously rendering the actual media files, pushing the audio completion straight to 100%. This is the engine settings menu. By configuring the intro clip and the specific audio language fields here, the engine applies a final pro branding polish to the raw output. Because the system pulls from these specific assets, the final video maintains a consistent brand identity, using your custom intros and regional language settings automatically. Managing a fully automated business requires absolute reliability. You access the system through a highly secure passkey gateway, locking down your proprietary data. If an upload point hits an unexpected error or blockage, the system's multi-account failover instantly routes the files to a backup account without missing a beat. It also features global localization. The engine automatically translates and tailors the finished video to serve entirely different regional audiences on its own. Those locked-down security protocols and failover systems give you an advantage in the marketplace. They let you push your output to enterprise volumes without worrying about a pipeline interruption. Look at the bottom of this live log. In the final mechanical step, the API pushes the finished video directly to YouTube, returning a live, clickable URL. This screenshot of the YouTube dashboard shows the result. The engine has correctly applied the title, the optimized description, and generated a high-resolution thumbnail on its own. We can see the status column on our tracker here. You sit back with your coffee and watch the text flip from pending to done without a single human intervention. You secure the growth that comes with scaling your channel while maintaining complete, high-level administrative oversight of the entire operation. You face a clear choice. You can remain tethered to the manual timelines, or you can use these tools to remove the physical bottleneck from your production process. The time required to produce high-volume educational content is no longer the primary obstacle for creators who choose to automate. Stop editing, start automating. Reach out to Troveto Technologies today